we hear Allah Akbar. My first reaction to Allah Akbar is usually meteor flag away. There's a shitter that was right there. We were a little bit over to the side. Conan smelled him, heard him. Conan darts, he runs straight into the shitter. As soon as his tail leers, we hear Allah Akbar, and I get knocked out for a minute. A huge explosion happens. I get knocked down. A bunch of us get knocked down. I wake up staring at the sky in dust. We go around and we come to find out
what actually happened there.
Dude was in the shitter. He had the two poppers in his hand. When Conan jumped on him, took Conan down with him. He detonated his SS. I think as soon as he saw Conan, he yelled Allah Akbar and detonated himself.
How close was he actually?
He was 10 paces away. He was coming out to take us down. I believe Conan saved my life. And the entire headquarters element. Repatriated Conan. He was switched on and we weren't. Also the first time that I really realized the emotional damage that goes to that handler. Guys are damaged and hurt more for losing a dog than a mate.